This is the second example for section 7.3a. The sum of two numbers is 19. The difference of the same two numbers is 5. We're asked to find the numbers. Before we start the problem, we need to define some variables and then set up some equations. So, very simply, we're going to create what we call a let statement. The let statement says our first variable, x, is our first variable. Our second variable will be y. So we have to define those variables. So our first equation says the sum of two numbers is 19. That means x plus y equals 19. Our second equation says the difference of the same two numbers is 5. Difference means subtraction. That means x minus y equals 5. We now have our system of equation. Very simple to solve in this case. We're going to add them up using elimination. 2x equals 24. Now I know many of you may realize the answers to this problem without working it out. We're trying to show you a simple equation and simple numbers so you can apply it to more a difficult scenario. So while you may be able to think of these answers in your head, it's important to understand the process that we go through. We divide both sides by 2, giving us x equals 12. We now have the first number of our two-part process. We know that x plus y equals 19. So we replace the x with 12, just like we have in the past. We subtract 12 from both sides, and we get y equals 7. This is our second answer to the problem. Like all of our problems before, we do need to check. So we use the second equation to check it, which is x minus y equals 5. Obviously 12 minus 7 equals 5, and the problem checks. We need to answer the question. So we say the numbers are 7 and 12. It doesn't matter the order in this case because it is a story problem, but it is important that you answer using a sentence.